Welcome, my friends. I'm Jen Hilman. Today I'm going to show you some CBD face massage techniques to help tone the muscles in your face, to help improve circulation so that it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and just generally get some blood flowing to the face. It's bringing tons of nutrients and white blood cells to heal and repair your skin. And facial massage also helps to lift and tone the muscles in your face, giving you that youthful glow. So go ahead and like this video. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave your comments below. Let me know if you've tried any CBD facial or beauty products. I'd love to know what you're trying these days. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get updates every time I add a new video to the playlist. And let's get ready for some facial CBD massage. So today I'm going to be showing you face massage with two of my daily use personal products. First of all, I love to use the doTERRA Yarrow Pom blend, as well as the Desert Stone Tools Divine Feminine blend. So I like to start with the Yarrow Pom, which is a blend of yarrow pure essential oil extract blended with pomegranate oil. So it comes in this nice dropper, and as you can see, this oil is deep dark blue. That is because of the high concentration of a component called chamazoline. Fun word there. That chamazoline is what makes it so deep dark blue and is what gives it its incredible anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, healing, soothing, nourishing components. So we love that chamazoline, and as you can see in the Yarrow Pom, it is thick. So I'll take 4 to 5 drops in the palm of my hand, rub it together, and begin to just apply it all over my face. Across the cheeks, across my forehead, and onto the neck. And then I'll begin to massage it in. Now, it's important when you're doing face massage that your strokes move out and up to help encourage that feeling of lift through the musculature. So I like to start underneath the eyes, and this Yarrow Pom blend is excellent for reducing fine lines and wrinkles. So I make sure to gently massage it in around the little crow's feet, the little lines around the eyes, and then I come down along the cheeks and make sure to get into the smile lines as well. I love to smile. I smile all the time in my life, and my face is starting to show it. But this Yarrow Pom helps to keep the skin toned. It again has those amazing anti-aging properties. It's anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe the skin, and helps with that cellular regeneration. Now here I'm just taking my thumbs right up underneath the jawline. Again, going from center out and up, just giving it that sense of lift all the way through the underside of the jaw. And you can circle up the neck as well, coming all the way from the base of your neck up to the edge of the jaw. So it's just wonderful to get that circulation flowing. You can also do some little circles with your knuckles going up the muscles along the side of your neck, so you can really give yourself a bit of a therapeutic massage here. It feels really, really nice to love on your skin and love on your body in this way. And we don't want to forget the forehead, of course. I start working between the eyebrows, working up, 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 and I think about just literally massaging the wrinkles out, massaging the tension away. So we come up and out from the center of the eyebrows and around the edges of the eyebrows, just kind of coming up and around in repeating cycles, stretching it out towards the sides, coming all the way up to the hairline. I also like to make some circles across the forehead. This is extremely helpful for bringing increased blood flow. And as you can probably see, the skin starting to get a little more pink, a little more flush with blood. So that is a really good sign. The whole point of facial massage is encouraging that circulation and that blood flow up to the face. Now my next step is getting that divine feminine blend. So the Yarrow Pom is very moisturizing and very soothing for the skin, but when it comes to really moisturizing and softening the skin, it's that divine feminine that is the icing on the cake. So I'll just scoop in a nice generous portion. Now, of course, this is blended with olive oil and beeswax, so it is quite oily. So you just want to be sure that you rub it into your skin very well so you're not too shiny and glowy. But even if you are shiny and glowing, people just wonder, what is that radiance all over your face? So just rubbing my hands together, same idea. I'm going to start by just applying it topically over my whole face, across the forehead, the cheeks, the temples, and all the way down onto my neck as well. And if I happen to have a little extra on my fingertips, I can take this all the way down across the chest as well. So, we all want to keep the whole face and décolleté looking young and fabulous. So this is a great time to moisturize and care for the skin across your chest as well. And then you can follow a lot of those same massage techniques, going from the inside by the nose, circling up towards the outer edges of the eyes, working into those smile lines, the little crow's feet, stretching it out, circulating some blood flow there. And I love using the CBD cream because not only does it have that nourishing olive oil and beeswax, but CBD is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it is excellent for cellular regeneration. So we're talking about rebuilding the cells in your skin. So it really does have that truly anti-aging property. This is what is going to keep you young and fabulous forever. Just doing these daily rituals, massaging your face with these high quality products to really make you feel like a king or a queen, like royalty that you are, and to really care for yourself in that way. So just circling these beautiful products all over your face, really giving yourself a gentle pressure as you massage. So here I'm going one side to the other, massaging those muscles along the edge of the neck. And you can do that on both sides, loosening up some of that tension if you feel it. If you are someone who struggles with TMJ or tight jaw or grinding your teeth, you can take this time to massage the jaw muscles there. Of course, you won't be talking, so it makes it a little bit easier to just relax your jaw and give yourself a nice, steady, firm pressure in there as you help encourage those muscles to relax. And of course, we don't want to forget the forehead, coming up and making some circles across the forehead. You can do those stretches up and out, up towards the hairline. You can also take time to massage along the temples, giving yourself some little relaxing massage here. This is great for relieving chronic headaches or just helping your mind to relax. Yeah, so this is just such a wonderful treatment you can do for yourself. And as you all know, I am a big proponent of self-care. So I love taking these opportunities, these little moments, to show myself the same care and concern and love and kindness that I show to everyone else in my life. It's important to take that time to show that love back to myself. Then when I have a little bit of conochrysm left on my hands, I'll just massage it onto the backs of my hands as well. So, our hands can get really dry. Sometimes we don't think about it too much, but this is nice to just use your excess to massage across the tops of your hands as well. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video and you're getting some inspirations for how you'd like to take better care of yourself. And if you would like to learn more or get yourself some of the Divine Feminine Goddess Blend, you can visit desertstonetools.com. You can also follow the link below to learn more about doTERRA and how to get yourself the Yarrow Pom or any of their other amazing essential oils. Don't forget to visit my website, jenhilman.com, or join me on the subscription community at jenhilmancommunity.vhx.tv. Have yourself an awesome day. Don't forget to love yourself, the most important person in your life. Until next time, namaste.